I just free kick again, free kick again, free kick again, free kick again. Welcome back, my people. Welcome back, my people. Welcome back. And you know it's all about football in the touch grounds, eh? Yes, man. But Arsenal, what kind of thing that? Arsenal? What was that? What was that? I know all the Arsenal fans are very, very upset right now. They are very, very upset right now because Man City is just looking down their shoulders right now. Man City is just looking over their shoulders and say, hey, what's up? You don't want the title? I'll take it from you. I'll take it from you. That's what is going on. So I know all the Arsenal fans are upset right now. All the AFTV partners are upset right now. Robbie, Troops, T.I., yeah? Dan Pats, Yardman, all of them people are upset right now. Curtis. The thing is, a lot of the Arsenal fans on AFTV came to the conclusion that it's going to be either a battle or a very tense fight. Why they say that? Because of the way Arsenal was playing in the last few games. And the other point was that the coach doesn't have much tactics left inside him. The coach does not have much tactics left. It's the same old. Score, ease back. No intense pressure. They don't play intense pressure. My beloved Liverpool, over the years, when Klopp was there, you never dare rest in your defense. When Klopp is coaching Liverpool, you never dare rest as a right back or a wing back. Pressure, intense pressure. Sadio Mane, Mo Salah, right? Robbie in the middle. What you say, man? Intense pressure. But what I noticed with Arsenal, side, middle, back. Side, middle, back. So you give the team so much time to rest. So much time to rest. So you're never just on the same level. You're the one tiring out yourself. All of these going side, back. Pressure centre backs. Send ball to strikers. Pressure centre backs. That's how it goes. I've always been saying this. As long as Victor Gyökeres keep playing in that striker role, Arsenal is in problem. As long as Victor Gyökeres is playing striker, Arsenal is in problems. Being a striker, and you're not getting balls from either wings, you have to be able to come out, pick up ball, beat man, and he does not possess that. So teams already know how to play Arsenal and play against Victor. Don't let the ball come over the top and then he's going to have to chase it. That was his game in Portugal. But he's too chubby now. He cannot play that kind of football no more. He's going to have to lose some weight. When I look at the lineup, because I was between games, there were other games. Inter was playing, right? Atletico Madrid was playing Club Brugge, and I know that game was going to be an intense game, right? But I was watching the Arsenal game, moving between games. When I saw the lineups for Arsenal, and I saw Madueke starting on the right, Saka in the middle, I said, what is this? Experimenting. Gyökeres as the lone striker. I said, child, what is this? Martinelli on the left. However, in the back line now, it was very good. The defense was solid. Timber, Nkape, Saliba, Gabriel. Yeah, man. Defense was sturdy. But if the middle cannot take the pressure off the defense, then the defense is going to crumble. I'm here watching the game, moving between games, because I tell you something, the Club Brugge game was very, very intense. I love that game. Because Atletico Madrid went up 2-0 before halftime. Went in, came back out. Right? So, second half, 2-0. And Club Brugge said, I'm not going to sit down and play dead. Right? And while watching the game, I noticed Club Brugge scored, so it's now 2-1. Move over back to the Arsenal game again, watching it a little bit. Go back over to Club Brugge, 2-2. I'm saying, wow, game hot. So I stay over by the Atletico Club Brugge game a little bit. Yeah. Look over Arsenal now. I see Arsenal got 2 love. I say, okay, lovely. Come back at Club Brugge. Go back to Arsenal. I notice a Wolves. Go on 1. I say, Jesus. That means Wolves is playing with confidence. So they get to score 1. Now with that 1 goal, they're not going to ease up. Remember now, Wolves have nothing to lose. Wolves have nothing to lose. They're already at the bottom of the league. What is there to defend? You have to go up. And that's what they did with Arsenal. So when I switch over to my Club Brugge game again, the defender of Club Brugge accidentally scored an own goal. So Atletico Madrid is 3-2 up. Club Brugge still didn't give up. They went ahead again and got the 3-all. Then I decided, have a look at the Arsenal game again. I'm seeing 2-2. And I'm like, what the hell went wrong, man? What the hell went wrong? Because Arsenal should have won that game with ease. The coach keep playing as if the world is on his shoulder. You have to be brave and attack. You have to be very brave. A lot of teams these days, they don't play the flat 4 at the back. They invert one of the wing backs and let him play in front. So it's actually 3 at the back. Whenever it's defending time, yes, he will come back. Yes, he will come back. They are going to blame Arteta for this one. They are going to blame Arteta for this one. Madueke on the right, Saka in the middle. Gyökeres up front as a look. Right. Remember to like, share, and comment. Thank you very much.